Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting and challenging question from radical mathematics. We have to evaluate cube root of square root 10 plus root 8 plus root 5 plus root 4 over root 10 minus root 8 plus root 5 minus root 4. So let's get started by considering the given expression as E. Now I can write E equal to cube root of root 10. So square root will be as it is. 10 can be written as 5 times 2 plus square root 8. We can write 4 times 2 plus square root 5 plus square root 4 over square root 10 square root 5 times 2 minus square root 8 square root 4 times 2 plus square root 5 minus square root 4. Now we know that square root m times n, this will be equal to square root m times square root n. So I can write expression E equal to cube root of root 5 times root 2 plus root 4 times root 2 plus root 5 plus root 4 over root 5 times root 2 minus root 4 times root 2 plus root 5 minus root 4. Now I will consider first and third term altogether, second and fourth term altogether in numerator and denominator. So I can write cube root of root 5 times root 2 plus root 5 plus root 4 times root 2 plus root 4 over root 5 times root 2 plus root 5 minus root 4 times root 2 minus root 4. Now from first two terms, we will take root 5 common in the numerator and in the denominator. And from last two terms, we will take root 4 common in the numerator and in the denominator. So we will get, let me write here, E equal to cube root of root 5 is common. So we will get root 2 plus 1 in the bracket. Then we will take root 4 common. So in the bracket we will have the same root 2 plus 1 over, in denominator root 5 is common. In the bracket we will get root 2 plus 1 once again. And if we will take minus root 4 common from last two terms of denominator, we will get root 2 plus 1 common. Now we can write E equal to cube root of root 2 plus 1 is common. So root 2 plus 1 is common out. In other bracket we will be writing root 5 plus root 4 over root 2 plus 1 is common. In other bracket this time we will write root 5 minus root 4. So root 2 plus 1 will be over. We will get simplified E cube root of root 5 plus root 4. So I will write plus 2 over root 5 minus 2. Now we will consider rationalization of denominator. So I will multiply numerator and denominator with denominators conjugate. So we will multiply with root 5 plus 2 in the numerator also root 5 plus 2. Now in denominator we are having one specific form, a minus b times a plus b, which we can write a square minus b square. So if I will write here, but before that friends, if you are an Olympiad aspirant or planning to do preparation for SOF, CREST, Unicus, Silver Zone, ASSET, Indian Talent Olympiad, Hummingbird from grade 2 to grade 10, then Olympiad Success offers you live interactive sessions, PYQs, tests and many more. Please check out the description box for further details and use referral code GYAN15 to get 15% discount. Let's come back to our problem. So I will write expression E once. This was cube root of root 5 plus 2 over root 5 minus 2. Now we will consider rationalization of denominator. So we will multiply here with root 5 plus 2. Here also root 5 plus 2. So denominator we can write using difference of two squares identity, root 5 square minus 2 square, which will be equal to 5 minus 4. So denominator will be 1. So I can write expression E equal to cube root of root 5 plus 2 whole square over 1, or expression E equal to cube root of square root 5 plus 2 whole square. Now we know the property from exponents a power b whole power c. We can consider a power c whole power b also. So switching in the powers, we will consider here E equal to cube root of root 5 plus 2 whole square will be written as cube root of root 5 plus 2 then whole square. Now we will consider this cube root 5 plus 2 as x. So I will write here x equal to cube root of root 5 plus 2. Now we will consider cubing both sides. So x cube will be equal to root 5 plus 2. Now I will use Simon's favorite factoring trick. So I need to multiply both sides by 8. So I will write 8x cube equal to 8 times root 5 plus 2. Or I can write 8x cube equal to 8 root 5 plus 16. Remember, our expression value is x square. We will calculate x from here and then we will consider squaring for our expression E. So I will write 8 root 5 plus 16, and LHS 8x cube we can write 2x whole cube. Now I will split 8, 5 plus 3. So I can write 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5. 16 I can write 15 plus 1. Let's rearrange our RHS. I will write 5 root 5 plus 1. Then I will write 3 root 5 and then I will be writing 15. So I can write here 5 root 5. This is root 5 whole cube. 1 I can write 1 whole cube. 3 root 5. I can write 3 times root 5 times 1 square. And then 15 I can write 3 times root 5 square times 1. So if I will consider root 5 as A and 1 as b. Then this is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b, which we can write a plus b whole cube. So LHS is 2x whole cube, RHS is root 5 plus 1 whole cube. Now we will consider cube root both sides. We will get 2x equal to root 5 plus 1, and once I will divide both sides by 2, we will get x. This is root 5 plus 1 over 2. Now we have to consider a squaring of x so that we will get our answer e. Let me write here. So e equal to x square. So I will write e will be equal to root 5 plus 1 whole square over 2 square is 4. Now I can write e will be equal to a plus b whole square. So a square 5, b square 1 plus 2 root 5 over 4. So 6 plus 2 root 5 over 4. So we will get our final answer, expression e equal to 3 plus root 5 over 2. This is our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Goodbye.